In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your JBL Flip 7 Bluetooth speaker. So step number one is to turn it on, and then with 2 fingers, you need to keep press the play button and the volume up button during 2 seconds. So let's do it together. I'm keeping both of these pressed until you hear that sound. Okay, then you can lift your finger. The speaker is now turned off, and the next time you power it on, it will be fully factory resetted. You will have to pair it with your device again. As you see, the Bluetooth logo is currently blinking. So set it aside, take your phone or whatever other device and connect yourself to your speaker. It will be like a brand new one. So thanks for watching. Please leave a like, but also comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.